In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to elements on a Canva design. So I have here opened a design. It is a newsletter. It's a newsletter and it has a couple of pages, but we are going to be working with just one of the pages, and on it we are going to be adding clickable links to different elements of this design. So first, let's start with the heading. Say you want to add a clickable link to the heading. So weekly newsletter, and right click, not right click, yeah, that's right. Right click on it and you would see this menu pop up. You would see link, and the shortcut to it is Ctrl K, or a second way to do it is just to left click and the three dots will also see link. Whichever way is cool, you'll be achieving the same results. Personally, this is my favorite way to do it because I'm more familiar with left clicking. So we have a link, and then you can paste your link here. Now, I don't have a link yet, so I'll just copy the link of this particular page and then just paste it there to show you there, and then done. There you have it. Once this newsletter is sent, it has become a clickable link. I will discuss towards the end of this video the best format to export, save, or share your design, so as to be able to access the links that you've put in there. Now let's zoom in and say I want to add a link to just maybe perhaps a few words within particular paragraph or text block. So I would highlight this, and then I would have this menu show up, and then right there you see the link. Click on that and same way paste my link, and that's done. So this is the text and this is the link, and simple as done. So let's click outside. You notice now that it has a paragraph. It has been underlined. The same way, the same thing happened with this. I think when we added the link, that is when it got underlined. But let's remove the link on this. Okay, exactly. Immediately you add the link, an underline is introduced. So I want that put back. And the purpose of the underline is usually to show whosoever you share your design with, that there's a link around there. But it's not the common way. Often you would have your link, the text with the link, that is your hyperlink, in a different color. So to achieve this, I will just highlight the words and then pick a different color. Often it's green, and that's that. So you can see now, time I zoom out while reading this, I would naturally assume it could be blue, whatever color I desire. I've just put that in. Now beyond just text, you can also add link to images. And now this is an image. Same way I just click on this and then go to the three dots, and then same way we have a link. Paste the link, and that's done. Now this text, and now it has become, this image has come hyperlink. When you click on it, it will take you to the address of the link, and just go ahead and then add your link every single element, as you can imagine here. And then now once you're done with doing that, I promised we'll talk about how to share. Now the thing is, if you want these links to be active, you would have to export it in the format that would allow your user or whoever you're making this design for be able to click the link. And the options are varied. So say I click on download as a PNG format. Of course, that would just be a single JPEG, a single image. Same for JPEG, which without any link, you would not be able to click on the individual text elements. But if you want your users to be able to click the link, you have your PDF standard, which is what I suggest you do. So if you export it as in the PDF format, you will be able to access that link, because you will then have to open it on a Word editor or PDF or Adobe, any of these softwares for accessing your PDF. So the only option is PDF. I assume you should be able to export as Word. Okay, that option is not there. And that's how you simply add links to your elements on Canva. As simple as that. So kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found it helpful.